2 weeks ago, I think it is 2 weeks ago, since I made an order from Temu. If you do not Temu, it has been, I think you have seen Temu on popular sites, maybe on YouTube ads, or maybe on your Instagram or Facebook or wherever. And I know that you already, by now, you already know that Temu has a lot of eye-catching products. Like when you see them, you just want to go and shop. And they advertise a lot of good, like eye-catching products. Okay, and I have to say that because I have not shopped on this site, I want to give my review about the shopping experience, how I saw it compared to the Turkish brands that I have shopped, especially on Trendyol. If you don't know Trendyol, it is a Turkish brand, one of the most commonly used here locally and also international. It is very well known, a very popular site. So if you are thinking of shopping, you can either shop all there, or we still have others like Hepsi Burada, Amazon.com. A lot of them, they are here in Turkey. Now I did a shopping, like I did an order on Temu 2 weeks ago, but it has not arrived yet. When it will arrive, I'm gonna give you like the review about, we're gonna actually open it together and actually see, is it worth the products in terms of the quality wise. For Turkish brands like Trendyol, I have shopped several times and their products are high when it comes to quality. Now if I compare these together with my Temu, I have to give Turkish brands a high five when it comes to products delivery. They are delivering so fast. Maybe I have to say it is because I live in Turkey and it is a local brand, and Temu is not a local brand here in Turkey. In fact, if you are thinking to shop on Temu, if you live in Turkey, make sure that the products that you are shopping, they are not exceeding 45 euros, because if they are exceeding, you're going to be charged a lot of taxes. Okay, and it's going to be just a mess. That's what I was told, and I wanted to do I wanted to have a personal experience to see. So the product that I have ordered, they are less 45 euros, and I'm hoping that they're gonna come without any problems, like to deal with the taxes or tax offices or stuff like that. I'm just hoping. If they arrive, I'm gonna give you an update to actually uncover, or maybe to open up, and we're gonna see what I bought and how it looks like. Okay, so that's what I wanted to come. Okay, bye bye, go to sit down. Aferin kızım. Tamam, go to sit down. Tamam mı?
Mama sabah.
Tamam, aferin sana. Go to sit down. Okay? You will come later when I finish.
Sabahın mı?
Tamam, tamam anladım.
Anneme söyledim.
So, if you're thinking to buy on Temu, I don't know your experiences, but I think they have a lot of eye-catching products. Still, I don't know about the quality. I don't want to give a review that I have not received, like something that I have not received. The quality wise, I'm not sure. I'm guessing, but I just don't know. The only thing I know is that they were like eye catching. The products that are on Temu, when it comes to advertisement, they are so eye catching. So first thing that I noticed on Temu, it is in fact the timing. Okay, the delivery timing. Compared to Turkish brands, like I said, I have been ordering from Turkish brands like Trendyol, and they normally deliver between 3 to 5 days. They don't take a lot of times, not too much time, like the same way I have witnessed with Temu. Okay, and also sorry, also something else I noticed about it is in terms of prices. The prices on Temu, I noticed that the products are more cheaper compared to Turkish brands. Okay, so I'm guessing the quality might not be good or high, but I still hold my breath, like my verdict, to see how it's gonna go. So when it comes to actually Turkish brands, when it comes to quality wise, I have to tell you that I have shopped several times, and their quality are good. Most of them, most genuine brands from Turkish brands, like when you are shopping online, most of them, they have high quality products made from Turkey, from Turkish people who put a lot of work when it comes to actually their products. That one I have to tell you for sure. Now when it comes to prices, they are a little higher compared to what I saw on Temu. The prices of things, some stuff that I googled or maybe I was browsing through, I saw that their prices on Temu, they are a little bit low, not too much low, but they have a low limit. Now something I have to say that when it comes to Temu, I think they have cheaper options, but the only thing when it comes to shopping when you are in Turkey, I'm talking about this because I'm already in Turkey, it is in terms of the taxes, because remember, tax or Turkish government has its own implementation, or they have on their regulations when it comes to other products from outside. So taxes are high because they are encouraging local brands. They want to give the chance for local brands most of the time. So that's my review, first review about Temu's products. And one thing I noticed, it is the delivery time. It's a very long time. So if you are thinking to buy on Temu, just remember that it's gonna take a lot of time for you or for your products to be delivered. I don't know, I really don't know about the product quality yet, because I need to buy more, or maybe to do, I wanted to do a little purchase first to see if they're gonna deliver. Yes, I have to go because of this little girl. I need to go and take care of her. But just know that I would want to see or to hear from you your experiences when it comes to Temu. If you have ever shopped there, let me know. And also, if you have shopped on Trendyol or Turkish brands, any of them, tell me which one, and tell me your experiences. Of course, even Turkish brands, they are not 100% perfect. They have their limitations. Okay, they have their limitations. Tamam, Ecin sen sus. Okay, don't say lies. Okay. So even Turkish brands, they have their own problems in terms of actually they have their own limitations. We're gonna be diving in. For instance, sometimes the products are not 100% genuine or authentic, and also in terms of actually communication wise, because remember, most of them, they are Turkish brands, so you might have a problem when it comes to communication, and also in terms of refund wise or maybe return wise, it might take longer. And like I said, it is only mostly mostly it goes well because when you are a local in Turkey. But for international shoppers on Turkish brand, it might take longer time, and also the prices of shipping might be more compared to Temu. Okay, so I'll give you an update about it. Just make sure that you are sticking around to see everything, and also to actually give your own observation or maybe on your own thoughts about this topic. I'll see you next, and Happy New Year, guys. Bye bye.